Hello. Okay, hey everyone, and welcome back to another Edith Noble video. In this week's video, I am with Maddie, and you may recognize her from the Kennywood vlogs. If you haven't seen those, go check it out. She is featuring Maddie's Coffee's Vloggies, which is her imaginary channel. Go subscribe. And so today we are going to be making some Hershey's chocolate chip cookies, and my mom has made them before. They're quite good. It already took us like 30 minutes to find all the ingredients, so we're just gonna get on into it. Do it.
Smile more when you come back. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe me, I need you.
Okay, so the recipe is just the Hershey's chocolate chip. I'll link it below if I remember. Normally I just say, oh, I'll have everything linked down below. Totally forget. First step, heat oven to 375 degrees. Now my mom said that when she makes it, she does 350. So we're just gonna be rebels and we're just gonna do 350. How do you think we do this?
Preheat.
There we go. Okay, we're gonna need a bowl. Quality ASMR.
Oh. You should like make the sound resolution like really.
Yeah. So you can come in. We're friends. Yay.
No,
Okay, stir together flour, cocoa, baking soda, and salt. Beat butter, okay, blah, blah, blah. First thing, stir flour, cocoa, baking soda, and salt. All right. Okay, so 2 1/4 cups of flour.
There's
Get the
definitely
bowl.
not enough in there.
It makes such a mess. This is gonna be bad. All right. Oh gosh. I don't know how, but I always manage to make a mess when I bake.
Yeah.
See, she's the pro chef here. I'm just like the
Baking 101.
next thing we need to put in.
Then you have to plug it in.
Do you think you can just use one? I suppose we're about to find out. I
I
don't know how to do this. All right, is that in? Can it come out? It cannot come out.
Okay, good job.
I said we'll do a baking video,
Okay.
and it'll be funny because I'm terrible. And check on that one.
Ooh, that's too fast for my liking.
That's
Not my fault.
Oh wait, did we do eggs yet?
Evie.
I swear. Add eggs, be well. Okay. Let's just add.
Just add them.
Well, we were supposed to add it to this, so like it's fine. It's going in the same place, just plus some more extra stuff. We're good. Beautiful. So we get an ASMR there. Do you want to get like a
scrapey thingy and mix it? Yeah.
The struggle is quite real here.
Life hack: don't talk to dry textures.
Chicas. Hola, so we let the cookies dry. We did a little photo shoot, that's why we're all dressed up and everything. And now we are going to do a taste test. I don't know why I'm clapping so much. But yeah, we're gonna do a taste test. Let's do this. I like this one. I like this one. So we are going to do a taste test. Ready? Good. 1, 2, 3.
It's really good. And we're great bakers.
10 out of 10.
Bam.
Ka-chow. Hi.
I did not pain the cat. He is perfectly fine.
Yes, he's perfectly alright. We're just getting a lesson on how to pick up a cat. Because this isn't actually our cat. But he's just been hanging out with us.
Go and support his little butt. How do you support the butt? There's many ways to hold a cat.
Alright, so me eat the cookies, really good. I would say 10 out of 10.
Oh,
What would you say?
definitely.
Definitely. So they were really good. and I hope you enjoyed watching the video and watching us make them. I would highly recommend making them yourself. Pretty easy, honestly, if you remember to put in the eggs, which I did not remember. So I hope you love this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. We're so close to 100 subscribers. I don't know when this goes up, what it'll be at, but we're close right now. So yeah, I will. What is it? I will see you in my next video. Peace out. Peace out.
What a wonderful